Possible tornado 45 miles west of Louisville near Sassafras. Some cities in the path of this storm are St. Croix.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Crawford County in south central Indiana effective until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for Crawford County in south central Indiana effective until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please stay tuned for further details and updates.
Good evening, everyone. The tornado warning for Perry and Crawford counties has just about expired.
All natural. Taste, not technology.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WABC-TV serves the New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This station is testing the emergency alert system.
Passion.
Rhythm.
Art.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, including Northampton, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles southwest of Chester, or about 18 miles southeast of Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning area include Worthington, Williamsburg.
Good morning.
Hey, Suze.
This station is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. We now return to Jody.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Exclusive Shame on You report.
Rockingham County.
Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia until noon. At 11:25 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar and law enforcement officials were tracking a tornado on the ground near Middle Springs Road and Ellisburg Road heading toward Highway 220. The tornado was moving north at 30 miles an hour, and locations impacted include Maiden, Stoneville, Price, Martinsville Airport, Horse Pasture. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. This warning replaces the warning that was in effect until 11:30 for western Rockingham and eastern Stokes County. Please relay severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Friday afternoon for north-central North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Repeating, the Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia until noon.
Room to interrogate. Even grow a beard.
Air.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Greene County and west central Ohio until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Paintersville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Jamestown. In addition, Bowersville, Bell Center, Rosemead, and Gladstone are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southeastern Indiana and west central Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Friday morning for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
All right, tornado warning.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system on News Channel 3.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a tornado warning for northern Franklin County in northern New York, west central Clinton County in northern New York until 1:30 p.m. At 1:01 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near West Bangor, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Malone, Chasm Falls, Brainardsville. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in that storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.
of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, Rowan County until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Dearmond, Carnes, Powell, Norris, and Halls. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina, and East Tennessee and southwest Virginia.
Flash flood warning. We're not sure.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for western Arapahoe County, southwestern Denver County, until 7:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported flash flooding and torrential rain in the southeast sections of the Denver metro area. The storms producing the rain were moving slowly to the north and northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in the Aurora area, and similar amounts can be expected in 30 to 40 minutes as the storm moves in. Some locations that will experience flooding include Denver, Aurora, northeastern Lakewood, Centennial, northeastern Littleton, Englewood, southeastern Wheat Ridge, Greenwood Village, Sheridan, Arapahoe Park, and Buckley Air Force Base. This expands and supersedes the previous warning that was in effect for western Arapahoe County only. Precautionary preparedness actions. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most
Good. So give me that.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for allowing us
National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Anderson County and east central Kentucky, southwestern Franklin County and east central Kentucky, southeastern Shelby County and north central Kentucky, west central Woodford County and east central Kentucky until 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Shelbyville and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Harrisonville, Griefenberg, Avenstok, Bridgeport, Evergreen, Alton, Farmdale, Nineveh, Mobile, Stringtown, Clifton, McBrayer, Tyrone, MCKES Crossroads and Milner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Weston doesn't threaten.
Is a test of the Kansas Amber Alert System. Through the Emergency Alert System and in cooperation with broadcasters in your area. During an actual Amber Alert, stations will broadcast important information about the abduction of a child whom police believe to be in life-threatening danger. This concludes this test of the statewide EAS Amber Alert System.
Of the Emergency Alert System.
That way his stuff.
So, Eileen, on yesterday's show, we have details in the spotlight.
And as we head to break, unfortunately, everyone, we have to do a required EAS test. It's a little annoying, but it'll only be a little bit. And as soon as we can, we're going to get out of it.
That's right. It's monthly. Here we go.
In the path of this storm, St. Peter's at 6:27, St. Charles at 6:36, Maryland Heights.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, northeastern Shawnee County, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas until 7 p.m.
At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles north of Topeka, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Meriden around 6:30 p.m. Hoyt around 6:35 p.m. Valley Falls and Denison around 6:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
We hadn't cleaned it up or anything. It's just still.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Etowah County and northeastern Alabama, St. Clair County, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Locust Fork, or near Cleveland, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gadsden, Pell City, Moody, Rainbow City, Attala, Hopes Bluff, Springville, Odenville, Glencoe, Margaret, Argo, Asheville, Riverside, Ragland, Steele, Altoona, Walnut Grove, Reese City, Bald Rock, and Branchville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing wind damage across Blount County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Etowah and St. Clair.